Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these yummy mini shortbread bites. For the ingredients you'll need flour, sugar, salt, vanilla extract, mix-in sprinkles, and unsalted butter. First add a 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and a stick of softened butter in a bowl. Cream it all together. Then add 1 1/4 cup of flour and mix it together. The dough was a little bit crumbly, so next time I might only do a cup. Then add in 4 teaspoons of the mix-in sprinkles. Stir it all together. Dump the dough into an 8x8 pan lined with parchment paper. Push it into the pan. Then remove the dough from the pan and put it on a cutting board. Cut it into small pieces. Place each piece on an ungreased cookie sheet. Like I said, my dough was a little crumbly, so some of my pieces fell apart. Then take the pan and put it in a 350-degree oven for 13 to 15 minutes. And that's it! The pieces that stayed together were so yummy and a fun little treat after a long day. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching.